Is your home always tense? You're not broken. Your family's blueprint is just hidden. There was a time when I would have given anything to feel close to my family again. From the outside, we looked fine. I was doing well in business, checking all the boxes. But behind closed doors, we were living separate lives. My daughter Mia was having emotional outbursts we couldn't soothe. My wife and I were roommates. And me, I was the man who went to bed every night thinking I'm failing as a father. Maybe I was never meant for this. The shame of that thought. It reminded me of my own childhood, of the father I swore I'd never become. And the moment that broke me, when my wife looked me in the eye and said, "Maybe you'd be happier if you just left us behind." If any part of this feels familiar, if you have ever felt like you were the problem, like no matter how hard you try, you can't fix the tension, I want you to hear this. You are not failing. You were just never given the blueprint. Your child didn't come with an instruction manual, and neither did you. Now, if this is hitting home, subscribe to my channel and share this video with another parent who feels alone in this, because nobody should have to carry this kind of shame by themselves. Thank you very much. Now, what changed everything for us wasn't another parenting book, and there were a lot of them, or a stricter routine. It was understanding 3 simple truths that I now call our family operating software. Number 1, stop blaming yourself. Your family dynamic isn't broken because you are not good enough. It stands because everyone is living in their own energy without a shared map. I thought my daughter Mia's meltdowns meant I was failing as a dad. I thought my numbness meant I was broken as a man. But the truth is, guilt and self-blame were the glue holding that chaos in place. When you let yourself off the hook, you finally have room to see what is really happening. Number 2, decode your blueprint. Now, human design taught us something no therapist or book ever did. Mia has an emotional authority. She needs time to ride her emotional feelings and her waves before she knows what's right. I have a sacral authority. I decide fast. Every time I pressured her to just decide, I was telling her she wasn't enough. When we learned her design and mine, it was like someone turned the lights on in a dark room. Instead of judging her reactions, we started understanding them. Instead of resenting each other, we started respecting each other's process. And number 3, embed new patterns with subconscious rewiring. Here is the part most people miss. Awareness is not enough. You can read all the books, take all the courses, but until your nervous system knows how to respond differently, nothing really changes. That is why we use hypnosis to rewire how we show up when emotions run high, to stop reacting on autopilot, to install calmer responses so we could actually embody what we learned. This is how you turn knowledge into lived experience, how you stop repeating old patterns even when you are tired or triggered. And if you are tired of feeling like you are failing your family, I'd love to show you exactly how we did this. This Thursday, we are hosting a free live masterclass to walk you through the family operating software, step by step, so you can turn emotional chaos into calm connection. The link to register is right below this video. Now, I want you to remember this. Your child is not too much. You are not too much. You are both exactly who you were designed to be. And when you learn to see each other clearly, everything changes. This isn't about fixing your family. It's about remembering who you were before the guilt, the noise, and the pressure. That's what I want for you. Now, before you go, I'd love to hear, what's the hardest part of parenting for you right now? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if this resonated, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you never have to walk this path alone again. Thank you very much.